Guys, what is up? It's your girl, Dr. Samara, and I am back with another video. If you haven't already, go ahead and go like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel because it's what? It is free, and let's get into this video.
He want the scoop, she want the tea. She want the tea. I cannot speak. We keeping it street. We keeping it street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat. You still gon' get beat. How much it costs? It never been cheap.
So basically, CoinEx has recently partnered up with another broker known as Markets 101. And basically, they have like a platform where they pretty much provide their traders a copy trading signal group in a way, right? Alrighty, guys. So as you guys can see here, this is going to be the Market 101 platform. And so what they are able to offer is that they offer their traders copy trading, as you see here. So the main thing is that you can connect with other successful traders and copy their strategies to expand your trading portfolio altogether in all of the many different markets. Just for instance, guys, what I mean is that there's many different traders out in this world, and everybody uses a different technique on how they're able to grasp and gain and earn their profits, right? So a technique that I use may not be something that you like or something that works for your trading strategy. And so I think that this is a good opportunity, especially if you are looking for something that is outside of the realm of my strategy, right? And so Market 101 is offering this. So just kind of scrolling down, guys, they said that, you can invest, made easy with just copy trading. So if you're familiar with copying and trading a signal, this is for you as well. And so they give you an idea of how the processing works. You basically get to copy the top leaders' information, and you get to use that within your trading journey, right? A neat thing that I love about this is that they have the top trending leaders. And so it goes over all of the different leaders that they have. It tells you about the risk. So the type of risk that they take, the type of, the amount of total profits they make, as well as their win rate. Okay. So this is something that you want to look and consider. Of course, risk 5 is saying that they are going to risk a lot more. All right, y'all. So I just created a demo account with Market 101 just to kind of see what it is like to actually follow the strategy of these top leaders, right? So as you can see here, we're going to go with Morgan here. I like that they also go over the monthly rising stars, top performing 2 years. So you can really get an idea. Let's see what Pip Viking is doing. Let's follow his strategy. Okay, so as you guys can see at the bottom, y'all see where it says like trade by Morgan, trade by Morgan. So it looks like Morgan trades a lot of the Forex pairs down here. He uses the lot size of 0.3, and he suggested for these different types of Forex pairs that it is a buy opportunity. It doesn't look like he created like a stop loss for you or a trailing stop loss or actually a TP. It does let you know about the commission as well as your profit loss. So this is pretty different. So it looks as though that it goes based on how much you're able to invest. So it's almost like a digital copy and paste. So you're not technically actually going into the market and manually creating the actual strategy signal by yourself. Ideally almost like a robot, because you're not knowing who these people are. You're just kind of going based on their percentages. That's pretty much it. So that is pretty neat there. And then on top of that, guys, it's potentially in a way kind of free. You don't have to pay a monthly fee or anything. The only thing you would have to do is create a real account with your with CoinEx. Because the way that CoinEx is set up is that you don't have to create another account with Market 101. You just use the same information that you use in CoinEx onto Market 101. So that's pretty neat, guys. I am going to actually keep this trade open and see what it's actually going to do, but that's pretty neat, I would say. Now, it is a demo account, guys. So, I don't play with my money like that. Okay. So, I would suggest if you want to kind of get an idea of what this would do, I would suggest starting off with the demo account and then seeing what it will do in your demo account. And if you like the results, then I would, go into depositing actual real money, right? So these are the top trending leaders. So that was cool to kind of get an idea of what it would look like on the other side, right? And then it kind of tells you how it works. So I did not read this, but we kind of did a DIY. But it does say select an investor, hit the copy button, which we did, and then choose how much to invest. Oh, so it does ask for you to choose how much to invest. So so it looks like, because let's kind of go back. Okay, so let's go back. Let's see. So it says that you can suggest. So let's see, overseer. Let's see if we can do 100. Invest 100. Let's see, follow strategy. Okay, let's go to dashboard. Okay, so it looks like you can. It doesn't have to be necessarily. So I wasn't paying attention to the max. So it doesn't necessarily have to be 1,000 or whatever the case may be. It could be whatever you invested into. So that's pretty neat. So again, I would advise for you to do a demo account before you actually do this. Okay, so that's neat. So that's there. And then it kind of goes over all the frequently asked questions. That's something that you guys can read on your own. And then it tells you, are you ready to trade? So, guys, that is pretty much it when it comes to what CoinEx has to offer. I truly, truly, truly adore CoinEx. If you haven't already, choose the broker that you want to use. I love CoinEx because it is simply on MT4 and it has not given me any problems with my withdrawals and just me depositing money. CoinEx is definitely fast and on top of things. I really enjoy the support system that they have in case if anything ever happens. They are very quick. But I hope that this video was very fun and just something that if you are looking for that copy and paste method, it's just amazing and awesome that CoinEx is able to partner up with Market101 and have this collaboration, because I think this will definitely benefit a lot of us, especially if you are a busy person and you have other hats that you carry as well outside of trading. I think this will be an awesome opportunity. And again, guys, if you are wanting that manual copy trading opportunity, you can always join my signal trading group, which is only $50 monthly. It's a very simple monthly fee, and you get a lot of trades within a month. I wouldn't say how much because it can range. I mean, definitely it can range from 20 through 50 trades a month. I would say that because some days I can send out one, some days I'll send out 3 or 4. So it just really depends on the market. But definitely join if you can. But other than that, thank you so much, guys, for tuning in to this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you haven't already, go ahead and go like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel because it's what? It is free, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.